Hello everyone, you join me here at Anglia Car Auctions with this T2 VW camper van. Freddie's meant to be out here doing a video with me, but I don't know where he's got to. So I'm just going to show you round quickly. Oh, hang on a minute. Who's that in there?
Oh, sorry, Holly. I know I should be joining you.
Yes, you should, Freddie. What are you doing?
Oh, I thought I'd get a 5-minute break, but I've been distracted. I see there's an auction coming
Oh.
up. So sorry about that. Jeff as well. He's Jeff's just been fast asleep, but Jeff, I tell you what, you put the kettle on and I'm going to have a quick look around this.
Yeah, come on, Freddie. Show everyone this lovely camper.
Let's have a look. So it's 1970 VW T2 camper. Just arrived with us here at Anglia Car Auctions, and this one is really well presented. It's rare that you find one as well preserved as one of these. I love the things as well, like the period plates on it too, and just really, really nicely finished. We've guided this one £12,000 to £14,000, and say it's going to be coming up in the next sale on the 14th and 15th of June. If we have a look around here, what you've got to remember about these are really versatile as well. Obviously great for a little weekend trip. You've got some nice space in the back and where the bed folds down as well. And you'll even see here, so it was an award winner too. So really nice to see. So it's got some good history too. But join us then at angliacarauctions.co.uk.